Did you know that in just 10 minutes, you can make a breakfast that not only satisfies your hunger but also boosts your weight loss, digestion, and energy levels? Stay with me, because today, I'm showing you how to combine simple ingredients like oatmeal, avocado, and a few superfoods to create a delicious meal that will change your mornings forever. Plus, stick around until the end for a bonus tip. Let's start with avocado, a superfood packed with healthy fats and perfect for weight loss. Its high fiber content keeps you full for longer, helping to reduce cravings throughout the day. It's also full of potassium and magnesium, essential for cardiovascular health. Kick it up a notch by adding tomato chops to the avocado mix. Tomatoes are rich in carotene, which supports eye health, while their high fiber content helps with digestion. They're also loaded with lycopene, which is great for fighting depression, supporting diabetes management, and improving memory disorders, insomnia, and general weakness. We're not stopping there. Add a sprinkle of black pepper and coriander for an extra health boost. These ingredients help strengthen your bones, support vision, and even remove toxins from the body. The onion in the mix contains phytocides that promote optimal digestion, while the lemon juice strengthens your immune system. Mix all these ingredients well, and we've got a nutrient-packed avocado spread. Next, we'll move on to our oatmeal base. Take 1 cup of oatmeal, add 5 teaspoons of milk, and mix it with 2 eggs for some extra protein. For a little added crunch and nutritional punch, throw in 2 teaspoons of chia seeds. These are rich in omega-3 fiber, and antioxidants. Don't forget a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. Heat a pan with a little vegetable oil over medium heat. Now, divide your oatmeal mixture into 2 portions. Fry the first pancake on both sides for about 2 to 3 minutes, until golden brown. Once it's done, set it aside and repeat the process for the second pancake. Take your oatmeal pancakes and grease them with your freshly prepared avocado mix. Add a few slices of cucumber on top for an extra refreshing crunch. Not only do you get a creamy, savory topping, but you're also benefiting from all the fiber and digestion-boosting nutrients in this powerful combination. This breakfast is packed with healthy fats, fiber, and essential vitamins to kickstart your day. The avocado and oatmeal combo keeps you satisfied, improves digestion, and supports weight loss by reducing hunger. The black pepper and coriander help strengthen bones and fight eye disease, while onion and lemon juice detoxify the body and boost your immune system. The bonus, if you want to take this breakfast to the next level, top your pancakes with a handful of black currants. They're rich in antioxidants and known to reduce swelling and improve circulation. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell.